Now, one of the common things that I hear students say is, hey, why is it that when I go through the tutorial, everything seems so easy and so obvious, but then when I try to do something myself, like create a project myself or try to complete a code challenge, and it seems like almost as if I actually didn't learn anything at all? Well, the reason is because that the learning comes from the practice. So don't view watching the videos as learning. That's just me introducing you to a concept. It's only when you apply it yourself, then do you actually learn. So always try to watch the video, see what's happening, what the gist is, maybe take down a few notes, names of functions or things that you might need to use, and then pause the video and try to complete it yourself. That way, you're actually putting the skills into practice and you're actually learning instead of just absorbing passively. And one of the biggest learnings I've read from, and one of the most interesting things from psychology studies, is something called the Dunning-Kruger effect, which is where when you first start learning something, you can feel like, wow, I know so much. I know everything there is to know about this topic. But then as you gain more knowledge, you realize, oh no, actually, there's a lot more stuff out there that I don't know. And then you fall into a pit, which is called the valley of despair. And this is also sometimes referred to as imposter syndrome, where even though you feel like you've spent a lot of time learning the skill, you feel a bit like an imposter because you think, oh, people are going to find out that I actually don't know anything. Now, both of these are exaggerations. You are somewhere in between both of those places. And if you just keep persevering, keep practicing, keep putting what you've learned into action, then you're going to get there in the end. So keep going.